This video will cover the topic, least common multiple of two numbers. A least common multiple, also known as LCM, is the largest number that is a multiple of two or more given numbers. Let's take a look at an example. Given the numbers 4 and 6, find the least common multiple. First, start by looking at the prime factorization.
What is prime factorization?
Prime factorization means finding factors of a given number until all of them are prime.
Okay, so the prime factorization of 4 would be 2 times 2, and the prime factorization of 6 would be 2 times 3.
Correct. Now for the LCM, we will use each factor the greatest number of times it appears in any one product. The greatest number of times the factor 2 appears is twice in the factoring of 4. And the greatest number of times the factor 3 appears is once in the factoring of 6. So, the LCM is 2 times 2 times 3, which equals 12. Let's take a look at another example. We are going to do the same, but with 8, 16, and 24.
The prime factorization of 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. For 16, it is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And for 24, it's 2 times 2 times 2 times 3.
Awesome! The greatest number of times the factor 2 appears is 4. And the greatest amount of times the factor 3 appears is once. So the LCM is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, which equals 48.
Oh, I get it. So in order to find the least common multiple, I first have to find the prime factorization of all my given numbers. Then I look at the greatest number of times each factor appears and multiply these.
That's correct. Great job. Now it's your turn.